Happy to see Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson in his indoor season opener, looking smooth in a nippy 6.56 over 60 meters. Of course, Kishane is known for his explosive start, so the 60-meter dash is right up his street and lane. The burst out of the blocks, the bounce was there, the swagger was there, and most importantly, the speed was there. And look, there cannot be any denying that Kishane Thompson and his MVP team must still be smarting from losing that Olympic gold medal in Paris. And there will be a big opportunity for some redemption this year at the World Championships in Tokyo. The World Championships is not the Olympics, but we're sure Kishane will want to see Noah Lyles on the world stage again, to have at least have a commencement of the settlement of that dead heat argument. And settle the argument once and for all.